I'm Joe Castellano. I'm the project manager. I work out of operations with Cave and Point Marine Terminal. I'm in charge of this project where we're going to be pulling the Gelberman into shipyard and replacing the propellers. The current propellers on board are pretty old and they need to be replaced to keep the boat safe and operational. The Coast Guard requested that we replace these during our last shipyard, so we're coming in now to replace them so our boat can survive for a longer period of time.
So having a shipyard that is able to pull us out of the water, or big boats out of the water close, is beneficial to our facility.
Normally, start to finish, you're looking at an hour to 45 minutes. It depends. The longest part of the process is to maneuver the travel lift into position. You can see that right now. That's what they're doing. So it depends where the travel lift is on the yard. You have safety observers that are walking along with it, make sure the path is clear, and then to get her in position, that's all.
The Gelberman, along with the other drift collection boats, we go around the New York Harbor and the New York waterways, clearing any navigational impediments, anything from some driftwood to derelict vessels, and emergency operations will help with anything including downed helicopters and downed planes. So we're excited to work with Bayonne Dry Dock, as we haven't worked with them in a long time, or if ever, so we're looking to create new communication lines with them.